Hello and welcome back to the B1 series on legal management. Today I would like to talk a little bit about the trusted relationship between customer and lawyer. Lawyers usually actually call the relationship trusted because they think that a customer can trust a lawyer. But what is this trust about? There are actually three levels which I would like to distinguish. One is subject matter expertise. Well, a lawyer hopefully has more knowledge about the law than anybody else. And the customer knows that when he looks for a legal advice, that he has to go to a lawyer. But does this already build a trusted relationship? No, it doesn't. A customer actually expects that a lawyer can advise on legal questions. This has nothing to do with a personal relationship a customer builds. Let's look at the second level. Lawyers usually claim that the customer can trust them due or based on three issues. One, it's the secrecy they can provide. The client attorney privilege they can offer, the professional secrecy they can offer. Second, they offer independence. That means a customer can be sure that the lawyer is not influenced by any third interest which may compromise the legal advice a customer receives. And third, a customer expects actually that there are no conflicts of interests which the lawyer has or may have. These three elements, however, are based on professional rules. And these professional rules are established by a state under the rule of law. So a state provides actually to lawyers these privileges and rights, well, actually also and duties which are sanctioned and punished if they breach them. But at the end, a customer doesn't personally trust a lawyer, but actually the system. It's a system trust which comes through the second level. Now, when we ask ourselves if it's not the subject matter expertise, if it is not these professional rules which are able to build this personal trust to a lawyer, what is it? Well, interpersonal relationships are built on trust when the person behaves in a certain way. So if lawyers really want to put emphasis into this personal relationship, which becomes more and more important in a world of technology and digitalization, then I would strongly recommend to put efforts into communication skills, to put efforts into service provision elements, which, for example, start with accessibility of lawyers, which include reaction time of lawyers, resolution time, and also emotional skills, call it empathy. So, I hope that I could show you that a trusted relationship to lawyers is actually not based on what some often expect to be. It's not the expertise and it's not the professional rules that build personal relationship, but all the other elements. I hope this was helpful and you liked this video. And if you did so, please subscribe to the other ones on YouTube for more. And thanks in advance for sharing any comments. I look forward to seeing you again, and don't forget, stay tuned on the Legal Management channel.